Well, it's that time of year where it's cold outside. People like to stay in the house a little bit longer to be comfortable. This man's going to help you be comfortable. Alex Nemeth, the owner. Alex, thank you so much for joining us. All right, what do you have here to make us comfortable?
So this time of year is really, really special here. People are redoing their kitchens. We have loaded up with living room furniture, dining room furniture, bedroom sets, anything for inside your house, we're loaded with.
And you actually built onto this warehouse for more furniture.
Right. We actually blew out the back wall. We have a ton of hot tubs back there for this time of year for clearance. I mean, you wouldn't believe the prices.
And for the man caves, for the fan caves, you've got stuff for everything. You even now you have pool tables.
Pool tables, 1-inch slate. We have theater seating. We have poker tables, bars, all kinds of stuff.
All right, all you have to do, west side, east side, or just go onto their website, northeastfactorydirect.com, for thousands of different items. Alex, thank you very much.
Thank you.